This 2026 Winnebago Solis 59P is a Class B RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 19 feet 9 inches in length and features Sleeps 4, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, refrigerator, water heater, air conditioning, TV antenna, smoke detector, and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features mid-bath, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed. This 2026 Winnebago Solis 59P is built on a Ram ProMaster 2500 chassis and is powered by a Ram ProMaster engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.